Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mohammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka.
Dear student, today we will discuss chapter 1. This is Introduction to Accounting. This is our first lecture. Dear student, at the end of this lecture, you will be able to know about important short questions from the introduction of accounting. Let's come to our class. Dear student, at first, what is accounting? Dear student, all of you are very new in business studies group, and you know that one of the important chapter subject for this group is accounting. And at first we learn what is accounting, what is called accounting. The subject which gives the instruction for recording and outstanding skill of analyzing process of monetary transaction is accounting. Dear student, that means accounting is the subject. If we have the knowledge of accounting, then it will give us the outstanding skill for analyzing of transactions, so that at the end of the year we can find out the amount of profit or loss. Dear student, again I am telling accounting is a subject which gives you instruction for recording and outstanding skill of analyzing process of monetary transaction. You can say that, sir, what is transaction? Transaction in chapter 2 we will discuss in details. I am telling what is transaction. Transaction means give and take. That means if you give any benefit to other person, instead of that if you receive any benefit, then it will be a transaction. Dear student, accounting is called language of business. Accounting is called language of business. Accounting is called language of business. Why accounting is language of business? Dear student, all of you know that language means by which we can express our emotion, we can express our views, we can express our thought, and accounting also helps the business to express its views, its necessities, its importance. That's why accounting is called language of business. That means with the help of accounting, a business can speak how much profit, how much cash required for the business, how much cash in hand, how much bank balance, how much the amount of debtors or account receivable. All the things we can learn from the accounting. That's why accounting is called language of business. Our next question is the causes of uh, designating accounting. Designating accounting is language of business. Why accounting is designating accounting as a language of business? Why accounting give designation as a language of business? Because economic condition can be understood and recognized. With the help of accounting, we can know the economic condition of an organization. That's why it is called language of business. The main reason of accounting is to determine financial condition. The main reason of accounting is to determine the financial condition. That means why we will do accounting? To determine the financial condition. All of you know that what is financial condition. What is your father's financial condition? You know that. That means financial condition is assets and liabilities. That means whatever asset and liabilities belongs to a person or organization, that is known as financial condition. Dear student, that means the main reason of accounting is to determine the financial condition. One of the main object of accounting, why we will do accounting? One of the main objectives of accounting, to ascertain financial condition and result. To ascertain financial condition and result. That means we do accounting for find out the financial condition and result. Industrial expected result could be gained by controlling expenses. That means a business person can earn his expected result. How? By controlling expenses. By controlling expenses. If he control the expenses, then he can earn the industrial goal, target, his desired, he can fulfill. Dear student, it is possible to locate the motion of business by through identifying profit and loss. That means how business is going on. Yeah, either there is a profit or loss. That means with the help of identifying profit and loss, we can it is possible to locate the motion of business. Dear student, the profit and loss Financial condition can be known by recording all accounts. That means whatever accounts we have, if we record all accounts, then the profit and loss of a financial condition can be known. Dear student, gaining economic solvency is possible by controlling expenses. How we can achieve the economic solvency? With the help of controlling expenses. As assessing financial changes and taking decision of an organization is helped by accounting. Accounting helps, dear student, accounting help assessing financial changes. You know that financial changes means changes of asset, liabilities, equities, expenses, and taking decision. With the help of, how you can take decision? With the help of accounting. That means accounting help us to assessing financial changes as well as taking decision. Dear student, next topic is government accumulates revenue. How government accumulates revenue? By collecting VAT, duties and taxes. By collecting VAT, duties and taxes from the businessman, from the citizen of the organization, citizen of the country. Dear student, in ancient time, people used to keep accounting of stocks. Dear student, in ancient time, that means accounting is as old as human civilization. In the ancient time, very beginning of the human civilization, also there was accounting. Maybe that is not in systematic way, but they also kept record. In ancient time, how they can keep record? Making marks on walls, making marks on walls at home, and making knot with the help of ropes. They keep record. Dear student, necessity of keeping account was felt by Luca Pacioli. Luca Pacioli, all of you know that Luca Pacioli, he is the father of accounting. Luca Pacioli is the father of accounting, and he started accounting in 1494. In that year, he felt necessity that for recording transaction, there should be a system, and in his, he is a renowned mathematician also. In his mathematics books, the name is Summa de Arithmetica, Geometria Proportionate Proportionality. In that book, he wrote a chapter named Double Entry System, and by that he started accounting. Dear student, necessity of keep account by felt by Luca Pacioli. That means Luca Pacioli, who is Luca Pacioli? He is the father of accounting. By developing science and technology and business, accounting also developed. That means in earlier people kept record in different manual way, but nowadays how people keep record? With computerized. That means accounting also developed by developing science and technology. Accounting is known also information system, because with the help of accounting we supply different types of information to the concerned authority. Who are the users of accounting information, dear student? There are two types of users. There are two types of users. There are two types of users of accounting information. Dear student, there are two types of users of accounting information. Number one, internal users. Number two, external user. That means some people who are internal person for the organization. Here the internal users. On the other hand, there are some other person who also would like to know the accounts of an organization. They are external users. Books of account and other documents are prepared by accountant. Books of accounts and other document are prepared by accountant. That means, dear student, accountant prepare books of account. Different books of account we have. Inshallah, later on we will learn how many books of account we have. Dear student, internal users. Who are the internal users? Look at internal user. That means there are internal users. Who are the internal users? Internal users of accounting information are owner and manager. Owner and manager. The owners of the business and managers of the business are internal users. Earlier I have told you that there are two types of users of accounting information. Number one, internal users. Number two, external users. And the internal user are owners and manager. On the other hand, external users are creditors, government, worker and officers. Dear student, recipients of loan repay the loan because of consciousness in accounting. That means if we took loan from other person, if we keep record, then we can, if we have accounting system, then we can we have the consciousness to pay the loan in time. Otherwise we will be defaulter, we will be bankrupt. Dear student, the next, the mentality of making expenses according to income can be created by keeping proper record. Keeping proper record. Keeping proper record. Main source of government income, dear student, main source of government income is VAT, customs, income tax, etc. Fraud and forgery can be reduced if we have proper accounting are kept, if proper accounting system is there, Remain responsible to third party means accountability. What is called accountability? Remain responsible to third party. Conservatism, maintaining rules and regulation and honesty come if we have accounting consciousness. Dear student, thank you very